Class 7 Social Science Term 1 Civics Unit 2 Political Parties Evaluation. Welcome to our class Social Science. Let us revise the evaluation part. Our first evaluation part is choose the correct answer. Question 1. What is meant by bi-party system? The options are A. Two parties run the government. Option B. Two members run a party. Option C. Two major political parties contest election. Option D. None of these. Correct answer. Option A. Two parties run the government. Question 2. Which system of government does India have? The options are A. Single party system. Option B. Bi-party system. Option C. Multi-party system. Option D. None of these. Correct answer. Option C. Multi-party system. Question 3. Recognition of a political party is accorded by dash. The options are A. The Election Commission. Option B. The President. Option C. The Supreme Court. Option D. A committee. Correct answer. Option A. The Election Commission. Question 4. Political parties are generally formed on the basis of. The options are A. Religious principles. Option B. Common interest. Option C. Economic principles. Option D. Caste. Correct answer. Option B. Common interest. Question 5. Single party system is found in. The options are A. India. Option B. USA. Option C. France. Option D. China. Correct answer. Option D. China. Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Dash form the backbone of democracy. Correct answer. Political parties. Political parties form the backbone of democracy. Question 2. Every party in our country has to register with dash. Correct answer. Election Commission. Every party in our country has to register with Election Commission. Question 3. Political parties serve as intermediaries between the dash and dash. Correct answer. Citizen, the policy maker. Political parties serve as intermediaries between the citizen and the policy maker. Question 4. A registered but unrecognized political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. Correct answer. Unrecognized. A registered but unrecognized political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. Question 5. The leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of dash. Correct answer. Cabinet minister. The leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of cabinet minister. Roman letter 3. Match the following. Question 1. Democracy. Correct answer. Rule of the people. Question 2. Election Commission. Correct answer. Free and fair election. Question 3. Majority party. Correct answer. Forms the government. Question 4. Opposition party. Correct answer. Criticize the government policies. Roman letter 5. Consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. Question 1. Which of the following statements is or are correct? The options are A. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. Option B. The Commission treats all the parties equally. Option C. Election Commission allots a separate symbol for recognized parties. Option D. All the above. Correct answer. Option D. All the above. Question 2. Assertion. Majority party plays a decisive role in making laws for the country. Reason. The number of candidates elected is more than the others in the election. The options are A. Or is the correct explanation of A. B. Or is not the correct explanation of A. C. Or is wrong. A is correct. Option D. A and or are wrong. Correct answer. Option A. Or is the correct explanation of A. Roman letter 5. Answer in one or two sentences. Question 1. What are the basic components of a political party? Correct answer. Any political party has three basic components are the leader, the active members and the followers. Question 2. Name the three major types of party system. Correct answer. Single party system, bi-party system and multi-party system. Question 3. Name the countries which follow bi-party system. Correct answer. UK, USA. Question 4. Write a note on coalition government. Correct answer. In a multi-party system, a single party sometimes may not rescue the majority required to form the government. In such a case, some parties join together to form the government. Such government is called coalition government. Roman letter 6. Answer the following. Question 1. Write any 4 functions of political party. Correct answer. Functions of the political parties. Provide loyal opposition, accountability and stability. Nominate. Select and nominate individuals to elected office. Organize. Organize political campaign, rallies and announcement of manifesto to win public office. Inspire. Put forward different policies and programs for the welfare of the people. Coordinate. Connect the society and the state. Coordinate among members elected to office. Govern. Form and run the government and develop public policy. Question 2. When is a political party recognized as a national party? Answer. Criteria for a political party to be recognized as a national party. The party that secures should at least 6% of the valid votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly elections in 4 states. They must win 4 seats in Lok Sabha from any state or states. It has to win 2% of seats in Lok Sabha from at least 3 different states in the latest general election. Roman letter 7. HOTS. Question 1. Is political party necessary for a democratic country? Answer. Yes. Political parties are necessary for a democratic country because they are the backbone of democracy. They are essential elements to form the government. Citizens can elect their representatives. Citizens also vote for the party of their choice and thus influence government formation. Question 2. Give any 3 names of national party, regional party and registered but unrecognized party. Answer. National Party, Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India. Regional Party, All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, Desiya Murpokku Dravidar Kazhagam, Patali Makkal Katchi. Registered but unrecognized party, Labour Party of India, Bharatiya Panchayat Party, Indian Indira Congress. I hope you will do your revision well. Thank you, children.